Assalam-O-Alaikam, I'm Sana. Welcome to my channel Sana Secrets. Today I'm gonna share with you summer special face pack for bright, fair and extra fair skin. It's so easy, you will get 100% results and I will show you how to make so without wasting time. Let's go. My first ingredient is gram flour besan. I'm adding 2 teaspoons besan gram flour. And my second amazing ingredient is watermelon. I'm gonna use watermelon juice here because it's full of antioxidant, repair damaged skin. It's full of different vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin E, which is really good for our skin. Simply cut into pieces and I'm gonna take only one piece, and now I'm gonna squeeze the juice from here like this. I'm using my hands. So squeeze the juice like this. So simple way, I'm adding juice like this. Next amazing ingredient is honey. I'm adding 1 teaspoon honey. I'm gonna use half lemon juice here. Squeeze the juice like this. Look guys, this amazing face pack is ready. Apply on your face and neck area. Leave it for 30 minutes.